hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making vegan pumpkin spiced hot chocolate. Oh, that's a mouthful, but it's a delicious one. Are you excited? I am. So, let's start.
First thing we're gonna do is heat up our milk in a pan. And add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. When the milk's hot, we're gonna add our chocolate. Make sure you stir it well to prevent the chocolate from burning. Next we're gonna whip up our cream. Add some pumpkin spice to it. And whisk it until stiff peaks form. Grab a nice cup, pour in the chocolate milk. Put on a good dollop of whipped cream. And lastly some pumpkin spice.
That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe. And as always, enjoy baking and cooking, and I see you next time at your dinner.